Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make a character follow your mouse on Scratch. So first, sorry about that. Go to motion, and then pick out these blocks, and now go to sensing and pick out those variables. And if you want to put it in the forever loop, you want to put it in the forever loop. Oh, sorry. I accidentally dragged out those blocks. I'm just fixing. Sorry about that, guys. I'm just fixing my voice. It is in the morning. It has been odd lately. Yeah, serious. Almost that. Yep. Ah. Overloop. Yeah. Or you can even, make it a game. In the next video, I'll try showing you how to make a Pong game. Yeah. I'm just gonna change the background. Yeah. So I'm going to do with this brake clicked. Sorry about that. Okay. And there. That's how you make a character follow your mouse.